See, I think we should leave the car at 7 o'clock regardless, because we're going to run out of time.
Hello?
Hello.
Where are you?
Walking towards the gate.
Do you want me to come up and meet you then? Because we've got to do some vlogging, haven't we? I thought you were going to come up here, or I was going to come to you quickly. We were going to do a vlog, a sort of start of it, and then...
There's no way I could have got up there. Not from where I was.
Alright, well I'll pack up and walk to you then.
Been a difference of opinion today. We are take my glasses off. We are at Mam Tor. It's not what we've come to the Peak Districts for, but because with tomorrow we are going on the Monsail I think trail on electric bikes. And I found the composition that I wanted of the like snaky road that splits the Mam Tor, and Richard really liked it, and we came here last February 2019 and we just did the gate and an image. They've got like a, I'll show you in a little while, like a stone path going up the Mam Tor, and I got an image there. But like I said, we came for this S-bend road and the view from up the Mam Tor, and Richard has decided to stay in one fixed position and wait for the light, because that's what landscape photographers do. I apparently have chosen quantity over quality. I disagree. I just can't stand there for an hour. I just can't, knowing that it's closer to the car, knowing that I can just walk back there. So I've come to the iconic gate, which I'm going to walk down to now. It's been really changeable weather. Hopefully you can hear me without too much of a wind noise. I have got the microphone muffler on. It's been really changeable weather. We've had rainbows, rain, sun, clouds, all sorts. And my aim is to get to the gate, try and get a nice photograph of the gate, go up, have a look here, go back up there, find the stone path, use the stone path as a leading line into the sun. Hopefully, if I've timed it right, the sun will start to be getting lower but won't have set, and then I'm going to leg it back to where Richard is for a just after sunset light trail if we get a car coming around the Essie bend.
You'll have to take it from me that me and Gemma are together in this vlog. That's just, and I've just spoken to her on the phone. She's making her way back from the gate. She wasn't that impressed, I don't think. I still haven't moved from my spot, waiting for the sun. It will go down in about, well, it will go behind the ridge in about 5 or 10 minutes. I'll just show you guys where I'm set up. Obviously on a tripod. I have got a 3-stop ND Grad to on the front to kill the light, to try and balance the scene. There is still quite a high dynamic range, so I am also bracketing exposures, to be fair. Shooting at f11, 1/6 of a second, ISO 64. Just waiting for the light, and the beauty of being here is light trails. Hopefully when it gets darker we're going to get some of the cars coming around the S-bend. Probably something like 25-30 seconds, I reckon. It takes them that long to get there. In fact, I'm going to count in a minute. I'm going to count, little trick, I'm going to count to see how long it takes for a car to get from there to there on that bit of road, and that's how long I'm going to try and get my shutter speed. So we'll see what happens.
I'm going to have to say, I think Rich is right. There's no shot here. I'll show you. Here we have the gate with the sun all the way to the side over there. I'm trying to get a photo of maybe the side fence looking over, but it's not as nice as the composition that Rich is standing in. So, but at least I've come to find out. And today it's not the gate. The sun's in the wrong place. So it's back up the hill I go. All the way up here and then down again. I've got to get a move on because the time is 7:56 and sunset's at 8:26. So to get back to that shot, I've got to make a move. So this is a no for the gate for me, I think. And back to where I started. But you don't know until you try. So there you go, that's my excuse anyway. Look at him. I have come from all the way up there. It's quite steep. And I'm walking all the way to Richard. He's not once looked up once. Are you okay, Jem? Can you get down here, Jem? Nothing. Nothing whatsoever.
We just had a funny moment. I found Gemma by shouting, and there she is. Wave, Gem. There she is. She's now got to try and traverse her way down this hill. Not quite sure how she's going to do that. Well, there are people walking down her. Anyway, she's found me. Yes, hello. We've finally met up. It's getting cold now.
We were together originally, weren't we?
Yeah. But you
I
were
just
up
went to
there
look
and
at
I was
the.
down
I
here.
just went to look at the gate. It was a no-go. You don't know until you go.
No.
Even though someone might have told me, but never mind. You did.
Well, I did, only because the light wasn't going to be over there. But
I don't think you said that was the reason. I just thought you said you wanted to fixate
I
on
said
this.
the light would come behind this S in the road, which
Oh,
it has done.
I got the wrong impression. I just got the. I want to go for this shot and only this shot. Anyway, we're here. Do you think it's been a little bit of a letdown? Been a bit of a letdown.
I did count. I don't know whether I said this. It's about 40 seconds. I said I was on earlier on in the vlog. I said I was going to count how long it took a car to go around there, and it was about 40 seconds. So 40 seconds is about the exposure.
He was. There was a car coming past earlier, and he had his stopwatch out, going speed up, speed up, speed up, go faster. So we like dangerous drivers.
Yeah, well, yeah, only because we haven't got to do quite such a long exposure. But I'm not gonna. I don't want to put anyone in hospital. So
there's one coming now, but it's still too light.
that is too light.
Got filters on to get a longer exposure, but it's not quite picking up the light enough.
I can see a light on the back of my
Oh,
car.
are you?
Maybe the next one that comes round.
Right, okay.
Oh, and have we got one coming up here, Gemma?
We have. Okay, we're going to give this one a go then. That was one of the shots I took earlier. You can see on my.
Do we want white lights
camera?
or do we want red lights? Both, really. Don't we?
I'm not.
Yeah, that's
nowhere
the point.
near
We'll just
fussy.
take 3 or 4 when cars come past and hopefully blend them all together.
Right. Let's get to this. I'll speak to you soon. How do you think you fared? You got it? Not really.
Oh, there's another one coming. Shit. No, don't pull in.
Oh.
Why are all these people turning round?
Wrong way.
Get it. Have I... did I get it?
Oh, there's another one coming from there. There's another one coming right down there.
Possibly got it.
Richard, there's another one approaching. I can hear it and I saw it earlier. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, it's a fast. It's a fasty. Oh, let's go for this one. Now we have forgotten our head torches because we're extremely prepared, aren't we?
Yep. Prepared professionals, that's what we are.
The car is just here. Do we do a roly-poly
No,
all the way
no,
down
no.
to get to the car
No.
quickly? Or
Yes.
walk,
Roly-poly?
yeah,
Roly-poly.
walk all the way down there and get back to the path, which goes then all the way down there in the dark.
Well,
I know you think, well, it's not dark, but they're
the camera exposes very well, doesn't it? And make it look a lot lighter than it is.
yes,
It's getting quite dark now.
yes.
But we're waiting for these light trails.
Sun has set. It is 4 minutes to 9,
Ooh, I'm cold.
which is cold. So in my fleece, I
In
have
blood.
I've succumbed to. I look silly. I've succumbed to a hat, and we're just waiting now for the light to drop slightly. Can you see us? Just about.
Hello.
Hello, this is us. It's about 9:30. The light has definitely gone now,
It's dark.
and
Pretty much pitch black.
we're going to try and get down Mam Tor and get
Hopefully
back in the
speak to
car.
you in the car
Yes,
in about 10 minutes.
and
if
have
we
some
don't
sandwiches.
fall
We're
down.
hungry.
Yes, yes. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
We're back in the car, as you can probably see.
Warmer.
Warmer. Now you're going to have something to eat.
I'm not advertising these, but they're nice.
Gemma done a pack up. So, to recap, we did get light trails. We
Yep.
did get a sort of a sunset. Got a
Yep.
bit of colour in the sky. But did have some nice light earlier on.
Can't see my face.
Did have some nice light earlier on painting the side of the hill, which was lovely. Possibly a sun star as well. What did you think of the gate?
Awful.
Hmm.
Awful. No, the
Yeah,
gate's not awful.
No,
but
the conditions weren't right
Yeah.
for the gate. So slightly different, slightly bit more of a ad hoc vlog because we were sort of.
well, our
roughing
main
it a
one's
little bit.
tomorrow.
Yes, it is. So
I have explained that.
Oh, okay.
Our main one's tomorrow, and as we were coming all this way, we thought we'd do this the evening we got here.
we did.
We've had a lovely time.
We're now going back to the hotel, tired, and
Yeah.
going to get a good night's sleep.
Whiskey
Whiskey and a good
then
night's sleep.
Yeah.
Later.
Bye.
Bye.
Sorry guys, I'm coming through. Thank you. This is us packing up. I don't think you can
you
see
see?
us. No, I can see the light from over there. We've still got a tiny bit of orange in the sky.
Well,
It's nice.
I'm going to light my face with my phone.
Go on then, genius. Oh, yes, well done. I can see you.
Because hardened landscape photographers would already be up there, hunkered down, waiting for the light, splits in the light, waiting for the moment. Not sitting in the car playing Capone.
He's here.
Oh, cold. Not used to being cold with the weather we've had lately.
We're God.
Look, Gemma, you should be looking windswept. We're up the mountain.
Yeah, I know, but I wasn't. I looked windscreen this way.
Right.
You in?